Python Argparse, default value or specified value. I would like to have an optional argument that will default to a value if only the flag is present with no value specified, but store a user-specified value instead of the default if the user specifies a value. Is there already an action available for this? An example. I can create an action, but wanted to see if there was an existing way to do this.
Nargs equals question mark comma means 0 or 1 arguments. Const equals 1 sets the default when there are 0 arguments. Type equals int converts the argument to int. If you want test.py to set example to 1 even if no example is specified, then include default equals 1. That is, with. Then.
The difference between and is thus. MyScript.py debug is 7, from default, in the first case and none in the second. MyScript.py debug is 1 in each case. MyScript.py debug is 2 in each case.